one of the cool things that you can do with Adobe Spark is to actually use masking options in text. In order to do that, I'm going to go into Add and I'm going to add in a text. So you get similar effects to this variation right here. So once I click on Add, I'm going to add in a text. And I'm going to press add on text, and you can use any text variation you see over here for the same setting. So I'm going to click on add and I'm going to type tube as my text of choice. So now there you go. There's my text. So I'm going to choose some bold text right here because I actually want to see through the image. So I'm going to go down. Let's see, ultra regular. Let's say this is the text I want to use. This is much more bold and you can actually see through it. So I'm going to go over here, click this. All right, ultra bold, ultra regular. All right, so there it has been applied. Once I do that, I'm going to increase the text size just like this. And what I want to do is I want to increase padding for these settings. So I'm going to go into shape right here and I'm going to increase the padding setting right here. So it actually covers up the whole area just like that. So let me just drag this to the top just like that. And what I want to do is I want to see through this text right here. So I can go into effects for that. And over here, you'll be able to see cutout. So once I click on that, it'll actually be transparent. You can see that now the text is actually transparent just like that. So I can select the text, move around, and you can see that the masking effect takes place just like that. Simple as that. Cut out. You can also do cut out and outline, which actually adds in an outline. You can also increase the line thickness to the outline, as you can see, but I'm just going to use this simple cutout. There are also other effects right here like cut out and shadows, which actually adds in a shadow right here, trying to give it a 3D-like effect. So I can increase the distance. You can see that there's a bit of a distance. Let me just bring down and you can see that there's the cutout. Let's say I want this effect. I can increase the distance and I can also change the direction of the cutout right here, just like that, trying to give it a 3D-like effect, look like masking right there, just like that. So you can work around with all the effect settings just like that. So this is the shape over here. You can also work around with the color to select different variations according to what you want. You can still see the transparency just like that. So you can see that that is how I can work with masking options inside of Adobe Spark. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.